cutting up some plastic. Try to get those bolts out of there so I could soak them in oil. Plastics are toast, but if I can soak those in penetrating oil, get a good grip on them, I might be able to salvage them. Like this fender has been roasted, so not worried about the fender piece. Just trying to get the two bolts off there. Seeing as I can't afford, there's no way I'll ever afford OEM fenders. Somebody might want to buy some OEM screws. These are, I don't think these are original ones. Shit, this fender flap is not the greatest quality, but might want to just let's chop the fender. I don't need it. It's salvageable, but it's ugly as hell, and I don't care. Cut it off. I don't care about the fender. There we go. Come on. There we go. That one's done. That one's done. 40-year-old plastic. Not bad. 40 years. Will it last 80? I don't think so. Don't think so. I'm throwing a vat of penetrating oil. See if we can get these out of here. I'll clean them up. Sell them for $10 a whole bench. Just to get them out of my hair. There's that. There's what I recovered off that. What do they call these? Before I cut it up, it would have been a rider quality flap. Would have been. It would have been a rider quality if you could get these stupid things up. But if you can't get it off there, it's a zero quality. So look at that. Krakatomi Plaza. There we go. Throw this in the garbage. I think that's it for that. Hold on a second. I'm sure I could, probably salvage this, do whatever, but you know what? It's seen better days. It's gotta go. So it's getting a new life. A new life in landfill. Can I cut that off there? Yeah, I should be able to. Just gotta snap this up here. Come on. Well, knock everything off here. Of course, I have the world's smallest tin snips. I'm using them. I have a bigger pair. I got a bigger pair. Chin snips. There we go. I don't know if these are any better. These are pretty cool, Lennox ones. This one will work. There we go. One part still attached. Silla junk. Said I was cleaning out my garage. Well, see this one? Some might be worth saving. But depends on I get these out of here. They are not easy to get out. Once they rust in place, they rust in place. You can't just sleep. I could put a... like I almost got to put them in a vise. So, could go like this. There for a couple weeks, a couple of months, a couple of years. This is not going to work on one first try. So, spins good. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll go like this, put all these on here, and I'll just juice them every week or two. See? Penetrating oil. I'll soak it in vinegar. There. The juice is loose. Yeah. Ta-da! So there's the dish of the week. Da-da-da-da. Put it on there for now. This thing is tray screws. Where's my? There's that one. They make new headlight covers, thankfully. Da-da-da-da-da-da. They even sell new screws for these. And I think someone's 3D printing new, what do you call it? Need a bigger screwdriver. This one's a wee bit too small. This one maybe. There we go. The only thing they don't make anymore, which is getting kind of valuable, is the seal and the headlight thing. I think there's a couple of people 3D printing them, but I don't know, some of the 3D printed stuff is pretty, see, it's cracked right down the middle. Toasted. I think I don't even know where I got this. Hard part is getting this off here. Getting that off without schmunking it up. Oh, I need a smaller one. A little bit smaller. Where'd the itty bitty one go? Don't tell me I gotta use a frickin' ratchet now. Is that small enough? Yeah, it's big enough. I gotta use a socket for the stupid thing. Sock it to me, sock it to me, sock it to me. This I gotta put somewhere. That's gonna get right. What size socket do I have here? That's not the right size. Smaller. Where'd all my sockets go? Yeah, if I cleaned my bench, I know where they all went. All right. Go ahead and make fun of me. Go ahead, make fun of me. Where the hell did it go? There's like a pile of shit over on this bench. I swear. My bench is clean, I swear. I swear it's clean. I swear. Let's try this out. What size do you think it is? Let's see. These are all metric. That's not it. What's this one? Nope. Oh, here's the kicker. I need the little ratchet. It's that big too. Ratchet world. Where the hell did it go? Son of bullets. This is the one socket I need on here is missing. Hold on, I want to find it. Found one. Found a little itty bitty one. Oh, it's gonna come off though. There we go. Gotta be careful because the little washer comes off, and sometimes you unloosen this and it rips this right out. So you gotta be careful. Luckily, this is pretty good. Wrong way. This way. There we go. See. This. Now you very gently take a screwdriver of a very, very flat kind, which should be right here. And there gotta pry this little thing up right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. Pry that up there and just pop the cable up. This actually looks in pretty good shape. See the little metal thing here? That's the you can see the color on the side. That's the original color of these rusted out little things. So there's this piece, the two nuts, and the rubber grommets. There we go. This is not even like, see here, they're not even bent. I have a bunch of these little tabs here, all rusted off. It's in pretty good shape, actually. These are, oh look, you can see it better on here. See the color, the shiny part versus, actually see it here. You can see a shiny part, original, and there's all rusty. Believe it or not, this is like one of the softer ones I've actually had. So this is going to go to powder coat land in the powder coat pile. I'll clean it up so I can show you. I'll show you what it looks like now. This actually looks like it doesn't have a lot of pitting. Like it's not heavily. Usually these things are toast. I have one I powder coated. It's cracked on both sides. So this is really good. And the to be listed pile. And the wire here, which is getting freaking old, should pop right out. I think it comes out like that. I think I take the bulb out first. The rear bulb. Come on. Come on. There's the bulb. And here we go. I could probably, I don't know. The wire's in decent shape. It's the cover of the wire. The wire is in good shape. So this is let me get a bag for it, so you bag it up. I've done this so many times that I probably could remember what's what now. This is rear tail light. Oh, let me write it down first. Where's the marker? My nice and clean bench now. Rear. Rear taillight stuff. Here we go. Why do I keep it all, even though it's some of them screwed in place? Because if I have a bike that just need an extra piece, I'll keep it. If somebody needs something, I'll give it to them. Put this in the bag too. Worst case, see, bare minimum. Let me clean this off for you. See, it look like it's kind of all dirty. Oh, I'm not cleaning off. These, including the, see this is a, I don't know how this survived this long like this. I don't know what people do to them, but this one is actually in very, I have a couple of these little seams. What do I call it here? This thing, the rubber seal. I have a couple of them. They're like cement. This one's actually really rubbery. I think I have 8 of these things, and at least 5 of them are intensely screwed up. So yeah, it's nice to have a decent rubber seal. What I'll do is I'll wash it off, put it back together, and I think I have enough to put at least 2 of the bikes back together. I gotta put the lights on that one. I have a couple more in the garage. So, it's the wrong way. It's the wrong way. Yeah, it's the wrong way. It goes the other way. It goes this way, I think. So yeah. At least I got some more garbage out of here. Like old bike parts. No, that goes the other way. What the hell's going on here? Why is that piece got a little... Oh, I get it. Maybe it goes on this way. Yeah, that goes like so. I don't know how this goes on. It's gotta go on this way, maybe. See? Maybe like that. No, it's gotta go this way. But why is there a little lip on there? Huh? That's weird. Is it like that? I don't know. I don't know. I screwed this up. Why would that have a little lip on there? Maybe it's just a screw up. Oh, I see. It's kind of like funked. Kind of funked. Let's see. Let's put it back in. See if we can get this back together before I end this video. Come on. See? Don't mess with things. If it ain't broke, don't try to fix it. What's that old saying? Yeah. There we go. That's on there. That one's on there. Okay, good. We got that. Yeah, these things are finicky. Oh, I see. There's a little like lip right here. Talk about a pain in the buttocks. I don't want to do this anymore. Where? Come on. This sucks. I want to stay on. Oh, there you go. I think that's semi-okay. So, yeah. Ta-da! So, mess with that. So, anyway, I got that done. Yes. It's a mess. Anyway. Let me turn this off. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll be playing with more junk. Messing with stuff. But this is decent shape. Thanks for watching. Toodles.